Yo, what's up guys? Kaizen here back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to trade on the lower time frame. As you can see over here, I took this trade on the 5 minutes and I got a 3.72 RR, and this trade took me about 14 hours. It can take you less, it all depends on the volume. But anyways, let's get into this. I'm gonna go on a clear chart and show you guys what I saw. So over here, I'm gonna cut this out over here so I can replay it for you guys. So as we can see, Sol has been quite bullish right over here. Let me just play this a little bit, speed it up. Right, as you can see, Sol has been pretty bullish, and let's pause this for a second. So over here, right, I saw this sweep on the 4 hour and this as a break of structure, and over here again this is our sweep. I'm not gonna count these as equal lows because I already got that sweep, so I'm not gonna expect the market to even dump lower because obviously we had this break of structure. So I marked this up as model block from the low to where the fair value gap started. So I had this marked up, and all I did was the waiting game. All I did was wait. All I did was wait. I was waiting for this to tap into my 4 hours order block, right? As you can see, it's playing out, consolidating. And now what the market did was it made this as the liquidity, as I talked about wicks on my last video, as its liquidity, and market tries to target those wicks, and we can see those wicks are being taken out, and now the candlesticks are gonna go right into my order block. And that's what it does. Again, there we go. So over here it goes into my auto block, right? And what I do is I go into the 5 minutes, and I'll see over here that there's a sweep. Actually, let me cut this back a little bit so I can see that there's a sweep over here, and what the market does is closes above. So I see this as a sweep, and the market has come back into this price range, and we can see there candle close above it. So all I did was very simple. I just made that fair value gap over here, right? And I had my entry right here and my stop loss at these lows. And initially I was targeting all these highs up here. That for a 7 RR trade. So I'm gonna play this and see and show you guys how the trade played out. So let me just speed this up a little bit. So as you can see, the price is consolidating a little bit, but then we start to pick up some volume. And so as we were picking up volume, right, I didn't want to be like, in case of a wick or scan wick, I don't want the market to come right back over here and I get stopped out or I get one break even. So what I did was every time the market made a new break of these highs, right? Like a high over here was broken, I set my stop loss. I trailed my stop loss to these lows. And again, the market made that high. I trailed my stop loss to these lows. Again, the same thing over and over, right? Same thing. Lows. This is where I dropped my stop loss because of this breakout structure. And you can see the market's price is still shooting up. And I did my trailed my stop loss right here, because market broke this structure. And let's keep playing this. So the market broke this structure to the left again, and I had my stops trail at these lows. Let's keep playing this. Again, same thing over here. Market broke the structure over here. And then just keep playing this out. So over here, there was not really a break, but then this stop trail of mine was too low, and I wanted to, secure most of my gains. So I put my stop loss over there, and I just waited. I just waited to see how it was gonna go. And as we can see, the market takes me out. So that's where my trades get stop trail. But again, I'm in for a 4 hour. My entry was probably a bit higher, somewhere around here. Yeah, I was in for, I secured like 3.7 hour. But again, this is how I took this trade based off the confirmation setup of this 4 hour block. And then go into the 5 minutes, see that I have a sweep over here when the sweep happened, and then the candlesticks started closing in above back into the price range. I entered the trade, just targeting these highs. Obviously that did not work out because I got the stop trade right here. But yeah guys, until the next one.